Today in this video, we're going to be doing the Louisville Slugger Omaha 30 drop 10.
Versus the Marucci Cat 8 28 drop 10.
And we're going to be looking for sweet spot size, which one you can get your hand through quicker and pop.
The Marucci Cat 8s probably was more expensive when it was new. Just because Marucci's probably, bats are probably more expensive and more popular than Omaha. So let's see which one's better.
So we're going to be doing the Louisville Slugger Omaha first. And at the end of the video, we'll hit some off the tee also. So far, it has pretty good pop.
And if you're wondering what back grips we're using, this is a Louisville Slugger back grip, and that is the Marucci back grip. So just pick whatever back grip you like. Just put it on whatever bat.
Kind of sounds like a composite bat. Doesn't it? Sounds like a composite bat for a little bit, and then
So far, it has really good pop, good sound, pretty good sweet spot. Sometimes it kind of hurts if you hit it lower down on the bat, but still good sweet spot. So far, good sweet spot, good pop. Doesn't ring you up a lot. Decent sized sweet spot.
now we're going to do the Cat 8.
It's a pretty good sweet spot, has a good sound, and a pretty forgiving sweet.
Last year.
Overall, that was a really good round. This bat's really good, has a good sweet spot, good sound, forgiving sweet spot, and it just can hit the ball really far, even on miss hits. So we'll hit a few off the tee right this.
So we're gonna do about like two apiece with each bat for both of us. 3 apiece, 3 or 4. Now, I'm gonna hit some with the Cat 8. It don't really matter about really off the tee, but you can just tell this one has like better pop off the tee too.
this one's probably a little easier to get through the zone. And I think this one wins because this one has a bigger sweet spot, better pop, and has a really good sound. And if you don't hit it right on the sweet spot, it still goes pretty far. On this Louisville Slugger, it has a pretty good sweet spot, but I don't think it can hit the ball as far, and I don't think you can get your hands to the zone quicker. So that's why I think the Marucci wins.
Oh, so it's the same for me. I think the Cat 8 won. It had better pop, better sweet spot. You get your hands to it quicker. The Omaha, it's like really don't have good pop. It has a pretty good sweet spot, kind of close to this, but it just don't have as much pop. So I think this is the reason why I think this one. And comment down below if you think we should do any like wiffle ball videos or like metal bat, composite bat, and wood bat tournaments. Okay, see you on the next video.